I have finally finished the camper. So exciting. So last night I took it about an hour out of town just to see, first of all, if the Prius could tow it. And yes, thank God it can. Otherwise I'd be in trouble. So I found a nice free camping spot. But, as you'll see, here we are, first night in the camper. Unfortunately, the bloody campground is closed for the winter. It's getting dark, so I'm just going to camp right in front of it here. There's a toilet back there. Hopefully nobody comes and says anything because the road is just there. It does say rest area though. Wish me luck. There's the moon. We've got it levelled out there. I just took it off the tow hitch, sitting on a rock. Chocked the wheels and put the stabiliser legs down. Got some beautiful sunset colours here. Got the lights on. One thing I did notice though, when it's parked on a hill like this, it's really easy to look in the sky window. I'm holding this at my eye level, so you could just walk up and go, oh, who's in there? So that's not that good. I've got curtains for these little windows, but not the top one. And there goes the International Space Station there, that brightest dot in the sky, whizzing along at 27,000 kilometers an hour. There's 10 people up there right now. I just had a wee Google. Pretty amazing. It's just me in here tonight. I've had enough of looking at the stars. Everything was starting to ice over out there, so I thought I'd better come inside. I've got a hot water bottle down at my feet. That's good because you can boil it with the gas stove. And I have turned the heater on, which is probably what you can hear. 100 watts, and it keeps the mist from your breath off of the sky window. The sky window was amazing. I'll put up some pictures next. These are from lying in my bed with my head on the pillow looking straight up. Incredible views of the Milky Way. I just laid there, had a drink and listened to some Star Talk podcast. It almost feels like you're in your own little space capsule staring out at the universe. Now I need to make some proper curtains, but at the moment I've just made these paper bag ones. We've got the doors locked, phone's charging. We've got my watch for the temperature up there, but that's also a light behind that. And I'm going to make this panel here so it can slide across from the kitchen, so if someone's cooking, the smells don't come in here. Here's a picture of the kitchen. The fold-out table is where I put my cook stove so that the steam can vent out. I've also got a sink, and the battery is stored down there. I have a lithium battery that's 300 watt hours, which means I can only run the 100 watt heater for maybe 2 hours. Everything is sealed up tonight because it's pretty chilly. I just had dinner in here and things are starting to fog up, so I've turned the heater on again, and you can see that it does work to start defrosting it. I've just wired up a fan as well, so the next time I have a dinner, it'll be installed here and it'll blow fresh air out there and suck it in through this top vent, so it shouldn't fog up as badly. Good morning. It's a pretty good sleep. You can see here I'm 6'2" and I still have a couple of inches down in my toes. We kind of parked on the road, so there was a bit of road noise. So I had that fan there running all night to cover some noise. Got a sunrise there. And my watch says, was it 15.8 degrees in here, and it was a frost on the grass outside last night, so it was at least 0 Celsius. Here we are this morning. You can see the condensation on the glass. It actually acts as a privacy barrier, which is kind of good. Ugly sides. I have to give it a proper wash. Tried to get all the fingerprints off, and then that happened. So my advice is to never go both tyres onto the grass, especially on a slight hill. I had this camper van pull in last night and they were like, oh no, we're just going to leave now. They've turned onto this hill on the grass and got stuck for about 15 minutes. They were spinning the tyres like mad. Not a good idea to spin the wheels, so you get stuck deeper. And then they put chains on and really made a mess of it. Oh dear. Just listen to all that horsepower. A real man's vehicle. That's all for this trip. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and have a good one.